Square nails, short encapsulated art inside the F1 mold with a slightly lower stress point. Is it possible to do? Will it lose its naturalness? In today's video, I'll show you how to make an inverted waterfall inside the F1 mold with a slightly lower stress point. If you really want to learn and understand the step-by-step process, you can't miss this video. So without further ado, let's get to the video. The mold I'm going to use is this ballerina-shaped mold from MC Nail. It has a slightly lower stress point. This is the glitter I'm going to use. The gel is the most nude pink nude for extension building and the clear gel for making the encapsulated art, all from the Annie Lovey brand. So I'll start preparing to make my encapsulated art. I come with a thin layer of clear gel. I dry for 6 seconds, then I come again with a second thin layer of clear gel where I will start my art. My inverted glitter waterfall inside the F1 mold. By the way, I want to know if you've already left your like for me if you're new to the channel, or take advantage and subscribe. Activate the notification bell so you can stay up to date on everything I'm going to bring to you on the channel. Here I'll start building my entire extension. I come with a bead of gel and I'll distribute all the product inside my mold from corner to corner, making sure this nail has total structure so it doesn't have any breakage or cracks. A tip for you who are going to make a square nail with this mold with a low stress point: make a pre-curve here. You will leave this nail looking even more natural, and the nail shape will also look much more beautiful with it curved more. Then I'll take this nail back to the booth to polymerize for 120 seconds on top and bottom. My nail is already 100% polymerized. I want to show you that the nail is well curved, the stress point is very low, and with a lot of naturalness. Even with the encapsulated art, while I'm doing the sanding here, I want to know what you think. Do you think this nail look natural? Tell me here in the comments and tell me if you have this a difficulty in using a mold with a slightly lower stress point, okay? Manual sanding is complete. For those of you who are just arriving here on the channel or who are just getting to know the F1 mold technique, the sanding that is done here is only 10%, which makes your work time more efficient. This is one of the proposals of the extension in the F1 mold, also known as dual forms. So did you see how fast it is to make this inverted waterfall in the F1 mold? Of course, it will only become faster to make if you apply it in the F1 mold. So if you're enjoying it, go ahead and leave your like here for me. For those of you who are new here, subscribe to the channel, activate the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I bring new content here for you, as well as many new things. Speaking of new things, follow me on Instagram. I post content there daily. There is a lot of information and study material there. Not to mention that you can interact there in the question boxes and in the polls that I post on stories. A second tip for you, you did the sanding in the cuticle area and saw that a little bit of the glitter came out. Don't need to get desperate because it can be solved. Okay? You're going to apply a little bit of gel here close to the cuticle area without touching the skin. Apply with a very fine brush to be very precise. Take a little bit of the glitter and deposit it where you took it out and bring it for polymerization normally. Okay, problem solved. Now my nail is finished. What do you think? Did you have any questions or difficulties? Leave it here for me in the comments. And of course, don't forget to leave your like and subscribe to the channel. I hope you enjoyed it. Until the next video, bye.